What's going on, everyone? So today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to install a bumper quick release, but I'm going to do a little twist on it. I'm going to throw some carbon fiber wrap underneath on the front bumper. Now I know there are you people out there that don't like carbon fiber wrap while you have a wrapped car. I'm not trying to fool anybody into thinking that it's real carbon fiber. I just happen to like that vinyl. So if you don't like it, don't put it on your car. Real quick, to the Caliber guys who are watching this video for info on the calendar, I'm going to put the Instagram right here, somewhere around here on screen, for you to Instagram the picture that I tell you to send to this person. Now don't go and flood this guy with 30 pictures. It's just where the final pictures are going to go that are selected for the calendar. By sending this photo to him, you are agreeing that you don't want anything or any type of royalties for that. I'm not gonna sign or write up a bunch of shit for everybody to sign. You're watching this video. If you send that photo to this Instagram, then you are agreeing that all you want to do is be in the calendar, for which you will get a copy of the calendar for free shipped to you. Other guys, the calendar definitely will be for sale. I'm not looking to get rich off it, just maybe get my money back. But as you guys all know that own one of these cars, there ain't shit out there for us. Now for the Caliber guys, if you want to, feel free to stick around and watch, even subscribe to the page. For the rest of you, let's get into it. Now to do this, you need something to drink. Actually, what I'm gonna do before I put this quick release on is wrap this little area right here with some carbon fiber vinyl. So first thing you do is clean your area with some rubbing alcohol. Next thing you do is lay out with your finish line tape. Now definitely give yourself plenty of extra. Don't just go an inch or so above where you want your finished product to end up, because you will be fighting to get it out. Now it takes a little time and practice with this stuff to lay it out. And have it be straight, but once you get it down, this stuff is awesome. Everything. Now, heat this up a little bit. I'll start at the bottom, make sure we're gonna cover. Get your squeegee, put a big wrinkle in it. Notice I don't pull the paper off until I use the actual graphic. Let's set it with a little bit of heat, and you're gonna know when you got it just right, because you'll actually see that finish line behind it. See why we have a few extra inches? Gives you something to work with. trying to cinch that up with this quick release. So, I'll bet you anything you're gonna need a 10mm for the bolt size. And I'll also bet you won't be able to find that damn 10mm wrench. 3 inches is the distance that I'm gonna need, so I wanna go basically about 1.5 inches on each side, and I wanna be in the middle. Now, for the hardware, put the socket on. And then just hand tighten out here. Okay, that's it. Simple, but looks cool. And it matches my valve stems. Until next time, you guys, keep it custom.